Under the title, we are discussing the $1,000 entry fee that Romeich has for his job fair. To pay or not to pay? That are the question. Let's get into it.
No matter how good the product is, if you can't get it for reach out there, it can't get the sales.
Hey, I'm Dutty Berry and welcome to the Dutty Berry Show YouTube channel, home of the best pop culture reviews to keep you entertained and informed. Now today we are discussing Romeich Entertainment's job fair that will be held on the 20th of October. Now what people have an issue with, well, some people have an issue with, is the fact that he has a $1,000 entry fee. You have to pay $1,000 to enter the event. But before I delve into this matter, just in case you are new, you might be living under a rock here over some place out of the diaspora and you do not know who Romeich is. Let me go and tell you. Alright, so Romeich is a Jamaican entrepreneur who manages Shenseea, Valiant, Ding Dong, Dancing Rebel, Shuttlebus, Bishop Escobar, and Auntie Donna. Yeah man, he is a big deal. I consider him like the Jamaican P. Diddy, the Jamaican Puff Daddy. Him have him like a Cassie with him and all of these things. Yes sir.
I love it.
And he is the CEO of Romeich Entertainment. Now what that? Romeich Entertainment is a company that provides full entertainment services from promotional models, dancers, party planning, music machines, DJs, equipment rentals, and more. Alright, so that is a little bit of a background, into who Romeich is. So on Tuesday, Romeich made this post to his social media, and the caption reads, Romeich Entertainment presents his major job fair, October 20, 2023, 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Romeich Entertainment HQ at 1 Campbell's Boulevard. Positions available are editor, bottle service, videographers, makeup artists, promo girls, set designers, animators, job engineer, truck and trailer drivers, photographers, hairdressers, decor executive, graphic artists, dancers, producers, dressmaker, marketing executives, musician, execution planners, choreographers. Interviews will be done. Now man, I'm tired. Jesus Christ, can I get a little breath? Let me continue. So interviews will be done by the big boss himself, Romeich Entertainment, alongside Shaquille Spam, that is his girlfriend, his boothang, and Jade. It is an opportunity you do not want to miss. So walk with all your necessary documents such as TRN, resume, ID/driver's license, passport size pictures, entry fee $1,000, food and refreshments on sale. Music by or Romeich Entertainment DJs. Come show us what you have to offer and impress the team. Sponsored by Campari Caribbean, Major Marketing JA, Grace Foods.
I think we should have that conversation.
So you see, when Romeich made that post, there were some people who were quite annoyed. They did not like the approach. It seems as if, majority of people, they liked the idea of him hosting a job fair, but the fact where people have forgot pay feet now, whole heap of people never did like that. People had an issue with that. Let me read you some of the comments. So one person said paying 1,000 filters out the people who aren't serious. Another person said an entry fee for a job interview, that's unheard of. So yeah, you are really doing something that's never been done because that's not normal. Ooh. And believe the $1,000 not include food and drinks. Another person said, mind you, if anyone else other than Romeich was doing this, then it would be considered a scam. His reasoning makes 0 sense, but on a love follow backer. So let's head over to Twitter. So one person said, Romeich is having a job fair and the people them are cussed because there's an entry fee of $1,000, but I think it's a good idea. Another person said, it's unethical. The best approach is to partner with the companies that are hiring. Charge those companies if you are the host, split profits with or charge vendors who will be selling food and refreshments, but not the potential hires. Another person said what Romeich is trying to do is to offset his recruitment cost. Recruitment and onboarding is usually one of the most expensive processes in HR, usually, and Romeich thinks he's being a smarty by charging for a job fair instead of advertising and paying recruiters.
Yes, payback.
No, there were a lot of people who were supportive, obviously, because Romeich is a big deal. Romeich is somebody who has positioned himself as some sort of champion for the poor. He's known as a creator of opportunities. So it is best that you're kind of in favor so you can access some of these opportunities. And we've seen him do so with Shenshia. You see him play a role in TJ Ding Dong's career, Auntie Donna. Like, you've really seen him do and contribute a lot to people's personal development. He's allowed a lot of people in the Jamaican space to level up, #Ciara. And so this moment is really seen as another step in that direction. But the other side, is that Romeich is a businessman 100%. Me feel as if even when Romeich is doing something good, Romeich's question will always be, oh, it'll benefit me.
Yep, that's me.
He's a businessman. I work on a chicken, him a jerk. But when it comes on to something that is like a job fair, that we know it is going to attract a bag of people. This is not a little 1, a little 200 type of people, a little 300 type of people, especially with Romeich's pull. It's a lot of people are going to show up. So as it relates to job fairs, Jamaica has seen several job fairs. Up until recently, there was a major job fair that happened in Ocho Rios, and just take a look.
Put it together. Yeah. Put it down.
So you see, after Romeich made that post and started to receive some amount of backlash, he followed up with this post to his Instagram. He said, I am doing something that has never been done in Jamaica. Sorting jobs for peeps and you all talking shit because there's an entry fee of 1K to get interview for a job that will pay you thousands of dollars. This is why our culture don't get better. You all find it hard to invest and make yourself better. SMH, Jamaica people wake up. Also, if you don't agree with how I do my thing, don't join my team. Simple as that. Why would Romeich, like, me really support you as an entrepreneur, but me not like how this kind of come across arrogant, because I think the points that they raised, I really and truly believe that they are valid. I'm pretty sure that Romeich is trying to absorb some of them costs. He's trying to absorb some of the costs them no want to do it and him pass it on to the people. But typically a job fair really and truly is to, see what you can do to provide or give as many people access to go and do a job. Okay? And I see there is a conversation talking about if people can take the money for go and party, them can take it for go do something for their fulfillment. And I guess, I really equate that. I think so that really makes sense. Because the fact of the matter is, you see the people like me and you, who really and truly could have can got a job here, now I can show up there now because, pride and ego and all kind of other things. But the people, like we are talking about the dressmakers, some of the bearers, them, the bike riders, some of the promo girls, them, a lot of the people who really and truly want this opportunity and are going to show up for turn up in the line, in the sun at and all of these things, are the people who don't really have it. I know the people them who could have got there, because them, I tell you, the people them who tend to turn up to these job fairs, people are left from Montego Bay, St. Elizabeth, all over for the opportunity of accessing one of these jobs that are not promised. Them not promised. But me understand Romeich, he did say that he is trying to do something new, right? He did say that he's trying to do something new, and I think what Romeich might be attempting to do is to take a bit of the traditional and mix it with something that is new age. He's trying to make the job fair an experience. Like him, I try to turn the job fair thing into like a little OSA. So you're there to really uplift yourself and get a little job, but while you're there, you're going to be doing. And I'm sure you might get a little performance from a couple of artists them, because Romeich is all about still promoting the team at each and every moment. Okay? So I think that is the experience that Romeich is trying to sell, that you're coming there, you're going there to really see if you can get a job position, But why not being a little, be like, hey, oh my God, I'm vibing, I'm moving, I'm dancing. But guess what? I'm also elevating. I want to be a promo girl because I'm hot. I'm hot and I know how to do things on TikTok. Yay, did I get the job? Woo! Refreshments on sale. Let me buy a bag juice because I'm waiting to exhale. Yay, Romeich. I think that was the vibe and I think that is what Romeich was picturing. He was trying to create an experience, but the people them who did lash out with the $1,000 entry fee, kind of soon a point. Because traditionally, a job fair is not a place that you pay to have access to. So I think had he probably rebranded the job fair and kind of pitched it as something else, like, I think it would have gone over well with the public. But let me just go and just give you a bit of information about what a job fair actually is, because some are only in the comments are chatting about up on the beak and do not know. So I asked Google, what is a job fair? A job fair, or also a career fair, is a recruiting event in which employers and recruiters meet with potential employees and where job seekers find more about job openings at potential employers. So then we take it a step further, because traditionally, me don't know about no little cost to a job fair. But you know, let me just go and ask the internet just to be sure. So the internet said, job fairs are typically free. These events don't charge candidates to attend, whether virtual or in person. The fact that career fairs are free is one of the top reasons that they are recommended and they are worth it. Be wary of any job fair charging money to job seekers. That is what is actually on the internet, right? And so, this is setting the stage of where I think the experience that Romeich might be promising is not a job fair. It needs to reword it, rebrand it, and pitch it as something else. Boy, this glasses just fight me today. But in order for us to delve into this matter a bit further, I felt it was important for me to get someone who's actually experienced in the field and can give me more information, share with us more about how job fairs are usually produced. So with me, I have Andrew Fairman of Talent Box Caribbean.
My name is Andrew Fairman from Talent Box Caribbean, and Talent Box is an HR outsourcing and boutique firm. We do payroll, we do workforce outsourcing, we do HR jazz as well, you know, the HR stuff. But we're predominantly known for recruitment. We have a number of clients in Jamaica, across the Caribbean, that we assist with their talent acquisition need. And so we've hosted a number of job fairs, you know, right across industries, hotel, BPOs, you name it, we've hosted those.
Now tell me, do job fairs typically have a cost at any point?
Not a charge. Anything that will prevent a potential employee from attending a job fair, we tend to take that into consideration, because you host these fairs to ramp up quickly. You know, you may have a large number of positions to fill and a short period of time to fill it. So this is what we tend to resort to when we need to fill positions rather quickly.
Now, do partnering companies pay a fee to be a part of job fairs?
It is usually expected that the company will contribute towards the taking care of the expenses, because this is in fact assisting them filling their open requisitions or their positions. So yes, companies are usually willing to pay to attend a job fair.
Now, based on the backlash that Romeich is receiving about his job fair, how do you think he could have handled the situation better?
I would suggest to any employer or entrepreneur that have, you know, you have a lot of roles to fill and you need to fill them quickly, I would suggest that you stay clear from, you know, charging any fee whatsoever to attend the job fair. I know that, you know, this event or any event that you're going to host rather will cost money, but we have to think of some creative ways in which we can recoup you know, the money that we would have invested. You know, we could sell refreshments or food or something of that sort, but stay clear from charging people to attend a job fair. It will really come off the wrong way.
Thank you for answering the questions. Thank you so much, Andrew Fairman of Talent Box Caribbean. Thank you, boy, oh boy. So the show, production, Make sure to like, share, comment on all of these things. Big up yourself, Andrew, for jumping on at the last minute and answering the questions. So you see, burritos, I think that is where you, Romeich, had a disconnect with the public. So for those individuals who don't really know about job fair, kind of see them but don't know the nuances and how it is typically produced, job fairs aren't something that people, the attendees, have to pay a cover cost. The cost normally, pass on to the partners, to the different institutions. But because Romeich is the person who is, trying to recruit people for his own business, he went about it a different way. And I think just the optics of him having sponsors there, and I charge the people them while also selling things to charge people who are supposed to show up. I think that is where the messaging got taken away. He should have really just said, here what? I am keeping a corporate mingle that is like a party. It's a lime where you can bring your friends, take picture, enjoy yourself, and then maybe do it like a little raffle. Like, like when you have cake sale and them look at something where you pay for something and then you have, what the party name? Like when you have them, what's your party name? The party where you keep on Candyland. Where you pay for God here, you pay for your party, But then, because you pay for God here, you might end up actually getting a designer body. You might get a little body makeover. But I think I saw him should have marketed like you come there, there's a little party, you might keep one little lime. But if you're lucky, you might walk away with a job. If him did pitch it that way there, it would have kind of come across a lot better. But I think, Romeich, he's always going to be having his business hat on, and that is what will make him successful. But there are people who can read between the lines and know, say, like a capitalism that take place. He might try to cover like a cost, and I think that is where the disconnect is. But big up Romeich for trying to be innovative, trying to do something but different. But I think you can listen to the public sometime and take them concerns and understand, say, okay, I kind of see why you are saying what you're saying, because he really never divulged a lot of information. I will not go and go into the facts that there were a lot of grammatical errors on the flyer when put up. That wasn't a good look. License not spelled right, and then look at something there like, come on man, you're Romeich Entertainment, You have Jada work there and then look at something there like, proofread like a thumbs up there, man. Because when you got arrogant, them look away there, you have to make sure so you cover these things. Alright? That's what I say, just make sure so you level up, But that is it, man. We have to go support our entrepreneurs and people who are trying to think out of the box. But at the end of the day, you have to come from a place of humility sometimes and actually listen to the public and say why, if there is some wisdom in what they're actually saying. That is my 2 cents on this matter. I'm going to okay, I'm gonna just wrap up right now. But that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to say you like, you comment on all of these things. I do have an update on the Leota Bradshaw story, as well as, a follow-up video on Miss Kitty's wedding, her marriage, all of these things, her husband. So let me know if you're ready for it in the comments. Just comment ready and let me know your thoughts on the Romeich Entertainment $1,000 Job Fair saga. I will leave you with some social media videos, talking about the situation. Ta-ta.
Baby, make you fall in love, beg for the baby. Vision the love when me have for you, girl, and vision the...
A lot of the people saying it's okay to charge $1,000 to go to a job fair for an interview wouldn't even apply to a job that required a cover letter in addition to your resume. So it's okay to have an opinion, but we don't always have to share it.
It's a work me a look.
So you ask me, boss, we get the job.
You need to spend time and learn.
Run, boy, run. This world is not meant for you. Run, boy, run.